welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'll be guiding you through a quick and simple way to redeem your Oculus code online. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your MetaQuest application from your app drawer and also make sure to log into your account. After you are signed in, from the main homepage, tap on Menu at the bottom right. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Redeem Store Code. Enter your gift code in the text box appearing on the display. Make sure you are entering the code correctly. It's a case sensitive and shouldn't contain any spaces. Simply enter the code exactly as it is inside your gift card. And finally, tap on Submit in order to redeem your gift code. If you've redeemed a code for a specific game or app, it'll be added to your library and you will be able to download it from there. So that is how you can easily redeem your Oculus gift code online using the MetaQuest application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.